We are pleased to show you the 2023 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, front license plate bracket, front wheel drive, full-size spare tire, tires, front all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.